Hi, this is Andrew Hunter from Ben's Barbershop, South Pasadena, and today we're going to talk about how to use a shaving brush. This is a Badger shaving brush, and the reason why you want to use this opposed to just rubbing shaving cream in your face is that when you rub in a circular motion, the very tips of the hairs actually penetrate through the skin and in the pores, massages in more thoroughly than you rubbing it in your hand. It's like using a toothbrush. You get a better shave, better penetration of the product onto the skin. To use with your brush, you want to buy a shaving soap, which you can get from your local barber supply. This is what the shaving soap looks like. It's a little bar like this, and you can actually purchase a shaving mug, or you can get your favorite coffee mug off the shelf. It will do. Grab your soap here. You're going to drop it in. You're going to apply some water. And grab your shaving brush. You're going to start emulsifying the soap. If you feel like you need a little more water, it's not sudsy enough, apply a little more water, wet the brush slightly. Keep emulsifying until you get a nice lather. And start rotating in a circular rotation onto your face. And take your time and really massage it in there all the way through. Get it in your beard, get it in your skin. Roll your lips like this. Do a circular motion. This is Andrew Hunter. This is how to use a shaving brush.